Okay, so this is week 9, assignment 3. It's pretty straightforward. You guys have done this before, but you're going to go to assignment 3. There are 2 links. If you go in here, there are 2 links. So the first link is, and this is all to, there are 16 words for this week. So remember, if you're on this one, if you go down here to list of terms, you'll be able to see all of the words and definitions right next to one another. But if you go to, you can do flashcards and matching and concentration using this one. And then if you go to this one, you can do hangman. If hangman doesn't work because it's looking for flash, you can play the HTML version. It's not as pretty, but it will still do the same thing. So you can still click and it will do whatever it needs to do. So once you have done that and you go back and you're ready and you've studied and you're ready to take your quiz, you get to take the quiz one time. There are no redos, so be careful. It is second quarter. You should be able to do this now. You get one chance at the quiz. And basically, you're just going to go here and click. You guys won't have preview, but you're going to start a new attempt. And it is matching. If you look at the bottom, there are all of the answers. And you just drag them into here. When you're done, you hit review and then you hit submit. All right, so if you have any questions, message me, let me know. And if not, have a great week.